Taranitho Shiba Manipur Legislative Assembly hinga sifam kiba budget mifam da 2025-26 ki revised estimate ki tongan ba department kuntra gi lupa crore lising kuntaret henbagi senfam oigadaba supplementary demand for grants sing yetna ba mata yaudana pass okrai ngasi pass okiba demand sing adudi state legislature secretariat land resources finance transport police, PWD, information and publicity, education, medical, health and family welfare, Mahud, travel affairs and hill development, agriculture, animal husbandry and veterinary, forest and environment, textiles, commerce and industries, PHED, administration of justice, sales tax, other taxes or duties on commodities and service, fire protection and control, rehabilitation, minor irrigation, panchayat, sericulture, water resources, horticulture and soil conservation, social welfare, tourism, MOBC and SC, relief and disaster management ni. Finance ki thausu puriba Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana demand sing asi House pass tawna ba pukhalaki demand sing asi thoidok pa yetna ba mata yaudana pass sauki amaromda ngasi yahan ba business ta Chief Minister Khemchana Finance Accounts Volume 1 2023-24 Finance Accounts Volume 2 2023-24 Finance Accounts Volume 1 2024-25 Finance Accounts Volume 2 2024-25 Report number 1 of 2025, Report of the Controller and Auditor General of India on State Finances for the year 2023-24. Report number 2 of 2025, Report of the Controller and Auditor General of India on General, Social, Economic and Revenue sectors for the year ended 31st March 2023, Appropriation Accounts 2023-24, Appropriation Accounts 2024-25, Manipur Public Service Commission ge Yankhayumda Shuba Annual Administrative Report yauna, the Manipur Anan Marriages Registration Rules 2026 to House table toki. Pinana Chief Minister na Manipur Appropriation Number 1 Bill 2026 introduced sa uraba matong nga sige section na si ayupong taramat hoga minute ni fuhumdoy da loishin ki.